Welcome, in front of me is SONY Xperia 1 7th generation, and in this video I will show you how to access the DPI settings on this device. So first of all, open settings, then go to display, then scroll down to display size and text, click right here. And in this menu you will be both able to change the font size by moving this slider and the display size by adjusting this one. So once you're happy with the result, you can simply close this menu, and you can also make the text bolder by switching this toggle, and use high contrast text by switching this one. And you can also reset settings by clicking right here. And basically that's how you do it. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.